A recent survey we carried out found that 74% of Irish adults wish that they'd better spoken Irish.
Gaelchultúr provide a welcoming and very supportive environment for anybody wishing to return to the Irish language and upskill in that area again.
All of our classes are accessible no matter what your level of Irish. If you're a complete beginner or if you have more fluency and want to improve your accuracy.
It's fulfilled a passion that I've had to be able to speak the language. Mainly because of my kids. My kids go to Gael school. I want to be able to try and speak with them, try and engage with them and show them that it's not just for school, that you can use in your daily life.
Tá go leor daoine duna athcheanga leis an Gaeilge sa láthair so sé sin gúiltead ag athfhoghlaim na Gaeilge, nó b'éidir gúiltead ag ólam ón tús mar nach chuir spéise behan agus iad scoil. Fáiltíonn muide go mór na daoine seo agus bíonn ansásta iad eiceil duna cuasaí ní nach linn nó chur spéis na cuasaí atá ann.
There's a huge sense of cultural pride around the Irish language. A lot of people have regrets about not following on with it after school, etc. Gaelchultúr opens the door for you to return to the language arís.
No matter who you are, there's a course here at Gaelchultúr that suits you.
And I just love the sense of belonging that it gives me.